Hello everyone, thanks advance for watching my video, and you can see that delicious beef vindaloo which I'm going to share at the end of the video, the whole recipe how to cook it. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm getting ready for my work, so making my morning oatmeal for breakfast, which I never liked it. Everything I like, honestly, it's all junk, and everything I don't like, I'm talking about food, it's all healthy. I'm making, and the oatmeal is cooked, so I'm adding some frozen blueberry and adding some chia seeds. Most of the time when I go for work, I like to eat quick breakfast, and that should be my oatmeal, that it's easy to eat and no drama. So I'm making tea without caffeine, although it's delicious, but I really love milk tea and I'm missing them. After breakfast, most of the time my lunch bag is ready ahead of time. I prepare it night time, so I'm not rushing for that. I'll go for a little walk, and when I was walking, I saw this beautiful daffodil. It's blooming. Spring is fun to watch all the beautiful nature. At least nature is not all unhealthy for me. I can enjoy as much as I can. That is a good thing. So it's 8:15. I started driving. My workplace is 30 minutes drive from my home, and this is where I park my car. It's beautiful, lovely view. So it's time to cook, and I'm making beef vindaloo, which is first time I'm trying. I never ever cooked at home. Let's see how it will go. What I'm doing right now, I'm adding garam masala and mix it well, and then marinate it for at least an hour. The more you marinate, the more the taste will be better. So with garam masala, I'm adding 2 teaspoons salt as well. Salt is always to taste. If you like to add more salt, you can add it. So I'm mixing them well. I take red chili powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and some garam masala. I also take whole spices, red chili, black cardamom, green cardamom, black peppercorn, bay leaves, cinnamon, few cinnamon, and clove, also fenugreek seeds. I take a deep cooking pot, and when the heat is oil, any oil, cooking oil you can have, and I'm frying the beef only for a few minutes to make it brown. So once the beef will be brown, I will carefully take it out from the oil. The beef is ready to cook now. So now I'm using the same oil for cooking my beef. I already chopped some onion. It's like not more than 1.5 cup. So I have to fry it until it will golden brown. This is the boring part of frying onion. I feel like it takes forever, but it's okay. The stove temperature will be medium, and now I'm adding all the whole spices. And at this moment the stove temperature will be low, otherwise the onion will be burned. Adding almond paste and some ginger and garlic paste as well. Now it's time to add all the ground spices. Some people like to mix the spice with water, but I'm okay without water. Now mix it well. If sometimes I add little water so that the spice will not be burned. It's absolutely up to you, but make sure that the temperature is not too high. The flavor is so good right now. It's like after 5 or 6 minutes, my sauce is actually ready. I'm adding the fried beef, and of course we have to mix it well. I am also adding some yogurt, natural yogurt. Mix it well. The smell is so good. I really can't wait to eat. At this moment, I added some water so that the beef will boil. Some people love to use pressure cooker. I want to go slow. After cooking beef, you can take out all the whole spices like bay leaf and others if you don't like them. It will take approximate 1 hour or 1.5 hours, depend on the quality of beef. When my beef is cooking, I will be cooking some veggie or something else by this time, so that the waiting will be not boring, because I have to keep an eye so that the beef will not burn. Beef is cooking and I covered the pot. This is the situation after an hour. You can see that, and my stove is really right now low temperature, so that the oil will be come up, looking so delicious. My beef vindaloo is ready. I'm going to add some coriander leaves. That's all. Although it takes time, but it's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe and share my channel, and I will be coming with next video. Stay safe. Bye.